Hi YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette and I'm coming to you with a quick video about my tomato plants. So a couple videos ago I made a video growing a garden on my porch or something like that, growing tomatoes on my porch, something like that. And I told you how I had pulled a couple of suckers off of a tomato plant. And I put them in one of my plants that, you know, had some space. And it, excuse me, and it started growing. Well, I wanted to share with you that these little suckers are making blossoms. Wait a minute, let me show you. They are gonna send me out some tomatoes. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And all I did was pull a couple pieces off of the plant because, you know, I wanted my other tomato plant to have more space, but I wanted, if you can see how, oh gosh, okay, you see? Oh man, I wanted you to see how they are producing blossoms on the stems. But anyway, that is a little update on my tomato suckers that I pulled off. So listen, look at that. Wait, can you see it? There it is. So at some point, I'm going to get tomatoes off of suckers that I would normally just throw in the recycle bin. So, yeah. So, if you want to grow more tomato plants, you know, when you pull off the suckers, just throw them in some dirt and see if you can get them to grow. So I'm really happy about this. This is the first time that I've ever done that. The stalk is really strong. I'm really happy about that. Kind of proud of myself for doing this. This is really cool. I've seen other people do it on the videos, but I never tried it. But I'm really happy with this. So until next time, God bless you. Remember to hug someone, tell them you love them, and appreciate the very small things, guys. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.